Hello and good morning, everyone. Today is the 13th of January 2021. It's Wednesday morning here in Hamburg, and we are preparing for our daily DAX market opening trade. My name is Maurice Rothwell, English live trading coach here at Traders Club 24 in Hamburg too. As always, we'll get straight into it. We're going to go to our DAX and we're going to open up our chart here, go towards our templates and pick out our Traders Club 24 open range breakout DAX, specifically designed for this morning opening trade. So once I've opened the template into the chart, you'll notice a few things. We've got these horizontal purple lines. These are known as big numbers, simply because they are big numbers in the chart. They're the big numbers in the market price. As you can see, 13,500, 6, 7, 8, 9, all the way up in increments of 100 each time. Then we're going to take it down to our minute chart, as that is what we are normally trading. And this is where we will see the main purpose of this template. So here, this orange box is our open range. Here on the left-hand side, we have a slightly darker shade. That's our morning open range. And in around 6 minutes for the German market opening, Frankfurt Stock Exchange, we will see the collision of the two markets, the future and the cash market. And in that collision, we should see some sort of impulse in the market price, up or down. That brings us on to the next stage. We're going to load in a SwissBox trading tool. So let me just change this magic number. This SwissBox trading tool is how we trade the markets on these open range breakouts, because at the end of the day, no one knows if the market's going to go up or if it's going to go down. So we have taken this out of the equation with this tool, as we no longer need to guess in which direction the market will be going. We can now go either way. The way it works, if we click our box lines on, we can see here in the chart, we have our two lines now, a green one and a red one. These represent two pending orders, the green being a buy stop and the red being a sell stop. Essentially what we're trying to do here is trap the market within this 15-point range of this box before any expected breakout. So we can get straight into it. So we've got our open range here. What we can do, we can actually even tighten our box to that range. The next thing that we want to look at is our sets. So set 1, set 2, set 3, and set 4. These are different target profits and risk settings. So we're going to go with set 2 for this morning. That's a target profit of 0.02% and a risk setting of 0.02% also. Once we're happy with our box, we just click on, and that is our setup for this afternoon. This is now an active SwissBox, so it's pending. What we're doing is now we're waiting for the market to make its move, and as soon as the market moves outside of this box, it's going to trigger one of those pending orders, be it a buy or be it a sell. So if the market moves towards the bottom of this box now, we will see the take profit line will be automatically calculated into the chart through the SwissBox. So the SwissBox is doing all the work for us. It's more or less a semi-automatic tool. So we just need to put in our preferred settings into the SwissBox, into the configurator in the top left-hand corner, right-hand corner, and then we just need to make sure we place our SwissBox in the correct area on the chart. Once we've done this, the SwissBox will calculate everything else for us. As you can see now, we've just gone past we've gone through the bottom of the box, and our take profit has now appeared in the chart, this blue line here at the bottom. Now, if the market should take a turn and we should go up through the top of our box now, if we get a market impulse towards the top, we will actually trigger into a second trade. And it will be a buy. And the SwissBox will calculate in, so it will multiply the size of that trade in order for us to gain a profit of 0.02% within 11.2 points away from the box. It's a bit confusing, but we can see it here. So the distance of our take profit to the trade is the same distance as this box itself. So if that's 11.22, we can measure this one down here, and this is also 11.2 more or less. And it would be the same if we trigger our buy stop at the top. Our take profit will appear 15 points away, 11 points away, but the trade itself will be the one that multiplies in order for us to hit that preset target profit. So we've got about a minute now until the market open, and it seems as though we're in the direction of where we want to be going. So we'll just wait for that market impulse here for a second. So we've got to bounce off that daily pivot here. As you can see, we got a test of that line just earlier on, and now we've just had a retest of that same line. So we'll wait and see what the opening brings. As you can see, right on 9 o'clock, we get that big long candle stretch, and we can see that there's a lot of volatility in the market at this moment. Candles, very long, very sudden movements, volatility. And as you can see in the chart, we've also triggered that second trade. So we've gone through the top of our box. Take profit has now jumped from the bottom to the top of our chart. And in our configurator in the top right hand corner, we can see 2.trade. It's a green box with a green arrow up, telling us that we're currently in a buy position. And we can see the exact outcome of this SwissBox trade at this moment in time. So we can see that we're currently in a minus. And we can see the actual percentage of that. So this should change as soon as we move outside of the box. Now third trade has now been triggered, and we get that long stroke down, and we're now hit our take profit. So thank you guys for watching. See you again tomorrow.